Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-150 Super Crew. It's a 3.5 liter V6, 4-wheel drive. See how ridiculously clean this is? Has home socks, the whole 9 yards. So, pull that down. It does have a custom illuminated grille. Has the tow hooks up front, black rims, running boards. Also has the Eco Boost. Bumper's in great shape. Tow package. Backup camera. Just have a spray-on liner. Okay, take you for a tour of the interior. It has gray and black interior with fabric seats. There's your power supplies and climate control for the interior. On the back row anyway, and then there's your VIN. Let's go ahead and hop up in here. Take you for a tour of the dash. There's 38,000 miles in this vehicle. If you look right here, you have toggle switches, push to talk, there's your tow. Okay, so you can bounce through here, engine on. There's your compass, fuel history, fuel economy, trip computers. Okay, come over here to your stereo, which we're going to go ahead and turn this climate control down a little bit. There we go, so you can hear me a little bit better. All right, also while we're down here, we have power supplies, stowage, cup holders, etc. Here's your 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive toggles. And coming up here, you've got your audio sources, AM, FM, CD, and Bluetooth. Come over to your apps. You can connect a device for various apps. Connecting your phone, obviously. And there are your settings. Then you come up above and it's overhead lighting. So, all right. There's your glove compartment. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was damage to the front and the back, but it turned out to only be cosmetic damage, so we were able to fix it up, and it has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of trucks here on the lot, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.